grab an eyeshadow palette, get your brushes. If you need a glass of wine, have a glass of wine. Beautycounter has 3 eyeshadow palettes. Classic happens to be one of my favorites. It's these sun-drenched neutrals. I look into your eyes, I see this warm golden colors, and I want to accentuate that, so that's why this is the perfect palette for you. I like to apply concealer first to the eyelid and then powder because I find that helps sort of set the eye. So you just want to press and pat to even out any discoloration, and it also helps to keep the eyeshadow in place. So I'm just going to take the Mattifying Powder and I'm just going to dust it over the eyelid. When you're picking up the color, you want to press into the eyeshadow and then you make sure you tap it so it removes any of the excess powder. So I'm going to take Suede, which is a really sort of neutral, and it just creates this great like all over color. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to take Copper, once again, press and pat, right? Lift your eye a bit, and I love to take this Copper right above the lash line, and it creates this really beautiful highlight. Yeah. So if you look in the mirror here, that line of Copper just makes them brighten. So then I'm going to take the Suede and just take it right underneath the lash line. We have these amazing Beautycounter cleansing wipes, and I just sweep it underneath so it cleans up the edges and lifts. Take the concealer and then just quickly go underneath. I like to take Ivory with the crease brush and just dab into the inside corners of the eye to brighten. You think you could do it?
I think I could do it.
Yeah.
I really love this. I'm gonna do it.
Okay, good.